Pupugayan milapuding eganaganang katikista, ang makayabi ay kakatamo kaniting misa, kaniti pong mumuna ng aldo ning kakatamong triduo, kang San Lorenzo Ruiz, king kapag mosusyantamo karing daratang ayaldo, ning kakatamong catechetical celebration. Maya payabak po at maya pa oras po, kaya kayungan, at mitagon po na ing mumunang aldo, ning kakatamong triduum, yapin po ing kapiesta ng San Pio de Pietrelcina. Pasalamatan kay po among Ricardi napun. He has given us a very exhaustive sharing on the life, the teachings of San Padre Pio. Ito pong sinabi na napun na ing kanong pangadi, yaing pangisnawa na ning kaladwa. Nung lakoming pangisnawa king katawan, Matea, makanya naman, lakoming panalangin king kaladwa, Matea. Kaya pong makuya da pamipakilala kang San Padre Pio, kaya kakatamong English misal, nga na po. For 50 years, he lived at the monastery of San Giovanni Rotondo in Rome, where, nga na po, pakadi lang ko lamo pong underline din, his miraculous abilities like spiritual as an spiritual advisor, confessor, and intercessor attracted the attention of the world. E paman po mamamate San Padre Pio, he has already attracted global fame. Ulilapin nitang ausantamong miraculous abilities. Nandin pong migugunam ko, o teko kaya din ng miraculous ability. His miraculous abilities on counseling people, hearing their confessions, and most of all, the power of his intercession. Ang galalo na po ngeni, lalo na po ang gangeni, no karakal ding deboto ng Padre Pio. At metong nako po kareta, aldo, I wear on my neck a pendant carrying the face of San Padre Pio. Lalo na po karing masakit. Lalapitan de at adwanan de sahop San Padre Pio. Pero ingburi ko mo pong dinan pansin keni. No karin lameni but detang miraculous abilities ng San Padre Pio. Who is the source of those miraculous abilities and how did he receive those miraculous abilities? Nga na po ning opening prayer, pisyag na ning Santa Iglesia o Banal a Kapulungan para kingaldo iti, nga na, you gave the priest, Saint Pio, a share in the cross of your Son. Detang kagiwa ng mala o kapag mulalan San Padre Pio, baliyo po nung karin la menibatan la king Gino at king pamakirake na king kasakitan ng Gino. He shared in the cross of your Son. And the most powerful testimony of the cross are the stigmata. Ding kayang sugat. 50 years no pong binitbit, magdalang sakit kaya. Lonye po, ketang kayang pamakirake king krus ng Jesus, in his suffering, he learned to depend totally on God. King kayang kasakitan, may biyasa yang magdepending todo king hapong Gino. And by being dependent on God, totally dependent on the Lord, lalo yang meging dalan para karetang miraculous abilities. I would like to emphasize that the miraculous abilities of Saint Pio are not talents, are not abilities per se. They are the gift of the Lord. Tinggap na anyang uli ning sakit at kasakitan na panamdaman na migdependiya kay nga pong Gino. At in his dependence on God, he became an instrument of wisdom for those who hear and comfort for those who suffer. At king ebanghelyo, makanyan mo naman yung dimdamta mo. O ba't Jesus po tapong magsalita ya, in kikatang Ginoo? Bala mo when he speaks of the cross, the Son of Man will suffer and die, be rejected. Bala mo it is malyaring esabyandeni tungkol king sarili na. Why? Why does he speak of the cross, suffering and death, full of confidence? Because he totally trusted in the Father, in his Abba. Potang sabyanan ng Ginong isakwilde, ipakure king Cruz at Matea, at sabyanan agad, subliyang miye king katlungaldo, that is bearing witness to the power of his Father, who will raise him on the third day. Malagwa ng sabyan ng Ginoo, mipnong tetaga ng papasyag ng Ginoo, ing pamaylas at kamatayana, uling ing sikanana, manibatan mo naman king tiwala na king Diyos, king kayangig pa. The same with San Lorenzo Ruiz. If I had 1,000 lives, I will give them to the Lord because He has the power to raise me to a new life. O hindi po ing bakalanta mong pamigunam ngeling aldoyti. That when we suffer, when we experience the cross in our life, and we learn to be totally dependent on God, lalo tapang maging intercessor. The suffering who prays intercedes for those who suffer too. Lalo tamong maging instrumento na ning grasya ni nga pong Ginoo, potang king kasakitan tamo, wari king letter to the Hebrews, itang nga na baluno dadalanan, ding kalupan ng tao, uling niya mismo, balo na ing kasakitan. And that made him the high priest. The high priest who prays for the people, who prays for all of us. Nya, kalupan na sanang Padre Pio at San Lorenzo Ruiz, when we see the cross, the reality of the cross in our lives, they will lead us to a greater dependence on the power of God. Who knows, we too are given miraculous abilities when we can pray for the sick and they get healed, when we bless those who are in need and their prayers are answered.